Welcome to the Mastercars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of this wonderful car. We're starting with the power units as usual. Yaris 2 had gas 1 liter, 1.3 liter, 1.5 liter and 1.8 liter engines and one 1.4 liter diesel engine. The most common engine is 2NZFE of 1.3 liters of displacement. And this one is a full copy of 1.5 liter 1NZ that was set on sedans. These engines have some weaknesses. Oil begins burning at 150,000 km. Piston ring cleaning or replacement is required. High noise levels appear at 150 to 200,000 km and are gone with timing chain, guides and tensioner replacement. Idle RPM floating is caused by idle RPM valve upset or a high contamination of throttle body. Whistling while accelerating is explained by alternative belt wear. High engine vibrations can be caused by engine mount, injector or fuel filter malfunction. Oil pressure sensor upset will be signalized with oil indicator on gauge panel. Camshaft rear bearing seal lets engine oil get inside clutch housing. Water pump has leakages at 80 to 100,000 km. Cylinder block is not rebuildable, so it has to be replaced every 200 to 250,000 km. Good oil will help increasing engine lifetime. 1 liter engine has the same issues. 2ZR 1.8 liter engine is famous for Avensis and Corolla models application. Engine is solid and has several minor issues. Throttle body contamination and throttle position sensor upset lead to RPM floats. First year cars have problems with oil burning that can be solved with more viscous oils like 0W30, 5W30. Compression ratio can decrease on old cars. Engine noises at low RPM may be the sign to timing chain tensioner replacement. Alternator belt begins to whistle. Water pump can die at 60 to 70,000 km. Thermostat is also a weakness. Thermostat failure can result in bad engine heating. VVTi solenoid can start jamming. Diesel is pretty good and can be bought from European corporate groups with gigantic kilometrage. It was rarely bought by regular customers. Diesel-powered Yaris has problems with injector failure that cause bad starts at low power efficiency. Injectors can be restored though. Yaris 2 was aggregated with 5-speed manual gearbox, MMT automated manual transmission and classic automatic gearbox. Both gearboxes are reliable but have some weaknesses. AMT operates slowly in auto mode. Overtakes on 2-lane blacktops may be dangerous, with shifting delays lasting for a couple of seconds. AMT can fail at already 50,000 km and is expensively repaired. Rebuilds cost 1,000 euros. TCM failure can happen at 100 to 150,000 km. Safety mode will automatically turn on. Turn on the neutral gear at short stops to increase gearbox lifetime. Manual transmission requires clutch replacement every 100 to 130,000 km. Reverse gear hard shifts could also occur. Torsion bar mounts and links pass away at 50 to 80,000 km. Rubber bushings and wheel bearings work for 100,000 km. Shock absorbers and support bearings lose damping abilities at 150,000 km. Original bushings and ball joints are assembled in one part with control arm and cost some money to replace. Rear suspension can run with no problems for 200,000 km. Steering shaft crossmember can get jammed at single first-year cars. Steering joints live for 120 to 150,000 km. Steering links finish at 200,000 km and are replaced in a rack assembly. Brakes are durable, the only trouble is handbrake cable oxidization. Front brake discs are easily corroded. Minor corrosion can be removed with dry abrasive. Severe corrosion will require disc replacement. Bright and modern interior was trimmed with rather low-cost materials. Steering wheel leather is quickly worn, as well as control buttons signatures. Plastic is cheap and easily to scratch, moreover, it produces a lot of sounds. Interior noise insulation is pretty bad, engine and wheel noises are well heard. Electric circuits reliability is at high level. Paint job is rather soft and has bad resistance to mechanical impact. Protective film should be used for some improvements. Corrosion resistance depends on car age. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that will help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.